Hey everyone, Joel here, and today I'm diving into something seriously game-changing for computer vision. If you've ever dealt with limited labeled data or those painfully long training times, this one's for you. We're talking about lightly training, like pro-level, late-night, non-stop training, but smarter, faster, and way more efficient. Imagine training a high-performance model without burning your resources or your sanity. That's the magic of lightly training. It's like giving your model a key to level up without grinding 24/7. So, what is lightly training? Lightly training uses industrial-strength AI to handle pre-training tasks in a way that builds on giants like YOLOv8. Think YOLO-level results, but with way less energy and time. That means faster training, lower resource use, and surprisingly better performance. SSL has quickly become the leading method for developing robust, generalizable models, yet, until recently, it was notoriously difficult to implement without extensive research expertise. Sleepless nights navigating complex repositories and exhaustive parameter tuning. LightlyTrain removes these barriers, allowing deep learning practitioners to easily leverage SSL. Methods on datasets of any size, from small custom datasets to massive industrial-scale ones. What am I doing in this video? For this demo, I'm using a repo with the same data server. We'll be times reading from the cloud, times using lightly training to handle YOLOv8 pretraining, times going from raw data to a solid, well-performing model. Step 1. Set up the environment. First up, let's install the lightly training environment. We'll connect our CPU or GPU, if available, and get ready to roll. Make sure to connect your Google Drive, that's where we'll save our progress and backups. Let's also create a new working directory. Easy. Step to load the dataset. We'll use the wildlife dataset, which includes 3 classes: times animal, times hunter, times human. Once that's loaded in, we'll configure the workflow to fit our setup. You'll provide your dataset path, and we'll break it down from there. Step 3. Training time. Now comes the good stuff: training. We'll kick off the lightly training process and monitor its performance. This model's been trained with strategic intent, and it's built to deliver. Why is lightly train special? 1. No labels required. Train models on your own image data without needing annotations is equal to cheaper process. 2. Industrial-grade pretraining. First ever SSL framework optimized specifically for industrial applications. 3. Build your own foundation models. Easily train in-house computer vision foundation models without labels, making your models more robust and less biased. 4. Superior model performance. Achieve up to 36% higher map, improved generalization, and reduced reliance on large labeled datasets. 5. Backbone agnostic. Unlike typical SSL research methods tied to specific model architectures, lightly train works with any backbone, from small CNN-based models to large vision transformers. 6. Seamless integration. Supports torch vision, TIM, ultralytics, supergradients, YOLO, and more. 7. Task agnostic. Pre-train models for classification, object detection, segmentation, and other computer vision tasks. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited about efficient, powerful training as I am, drop a comment, hit that like button, and let's explore more cutting-edge tools together. Before I wrap up, let me leave you with a quick tip: don't underestimate the power of smart pre-training. Whether you're working on object detection, segmentation, or even custom models for niche applications, tools like Lightly can save you time, compute, and headaches. It's not just about getting models to work, it's about making them work smarter. If you want to go even further, check the links in the description. I've dropped the full repo, dataset references, and a little bonus: a cheat sheet to help you kickstart your own lightly training journey. Also, here's what's coming up next on the channel. Times a behind the scenes on how I integrated Lightly into a real-time wildlife detection project. Times a breakdown of Lightly versus traditional augmentation methods. Times and a community challenge where you can submit your results using Lightly on your own dataset. Don't forget to subscribe because the next video might just unlock the training breakthrough you've been waiting for. Until then, keep building, keep training smart, and remember, the future of AI isn't just deep, it's Lightly. Peace out, victory hand. Joel.